Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holly Jolly July video. Today I have a really fun layered paper craft for you. This is my Surfin Santa layered paper craft. How adorable is Santa Claus here on his surfboard? He's got his Santa sack there on his back and he is totally enjoying all of the waves. I love his cute little Hawaiian shirt, just really adorable. This paper project is really easy to put together and I cannot wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, your weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. You could also use some foam squares if you want to add some dimension between the different layers. I'm not going to be doing that in this tutorial, but it's definitely up to you. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holly Jolly July 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that the project has been brought into our canvas. Now I've sized this design to fit within the cutting dimensions of the 12 by 12 cutting mat, so I have made it 11 inches high. Now if you're going to be using this project on a card or in a shadow box or for some other purpose, you can definitely change the size here in the sizing window. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make, and you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together, but from back to front, you're going to start with the dark blue, light blue, brown, whichever color you're going to be using for the flesh tone, yellow, red, and then white. Now I mentioned earlier that you could use foam squares if you wanted to really add some dimension. I would definitely do that behind all of them to really add some really nice depth and dimension. But like I said, I'm just going to layer them all together. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I do that, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there we go. Our Surfin' Santa is all set. Isn't he cute? Wasn't this really adorable? I hope that you like this one. It's so cute and so fun to make. If you make this project, I hope that you share it on our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holly Jolly July video. Bye-bye.